So hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at how we are going to install the protective lens cover for the Insta360 1-inch 360 edition. So this is the lens guard which I recently purchased from China, Taobao. They have a lot of accessories selling at their website. So do take a look there, and if they are able to ship to your country, then it will be great. So I got a few requests on how to install the lens guard. So before we do anything, we'll give the lens a good clean with the lens cloth. So just give it a good wipe, ensure there's no dust on the surface. Yep, looks pretty good. Do ensure that the lens guard does not have any dust also. Outside is okay, we will have to clean it later because there will be a lot of fingerprints after installation. Next is to align the lens guard on the lens itself. Don't have to be very accurate because there's no screw threads on the lens guard, so it's basically holding on to the lens by this gasket. But it will be a very tight fit, don't worry. Once it's installed on the lens, it will be very tight. Once you have aligned the lens guard on the lens itself, just give it a good secure press on the lens guard. Not too tight. After that, just turn around the lens, and you'll feel that the gasket is starting to bite onto the corners of the lens. And you see that it's not going to come out anymore. But to ensure that the gasket is fitting flat on all sides of the lens. Okay, just give it a few more turns. And let's see. Yep, it's pretty flat now. As I've said earlier on, there will be a lot of fingerprints after the installation, so just give it a good wipe with the lens cloth. All in all, this lens guard is, I would say that is pretty basic. The gasket is not, I would say, I think you wear off quite fast. So what I suggest is once you fitted the lens guard onto the camera, try not to take it on and off so frequently, because I think the gasket will start to wear off after taking in and out of the camera. This is the lens guard cover, which I bought together with the PLC. This is a slightly bigger rubber cover in order to cover the lens guard, because now is, as you can see, is much more bigger. How to put it in is the same as the original rubber cover. Just put it in and adjust, and it'll fit nicely to the camera. So I hope this video helps, and have fun with your 1-inch 360 camera. Cheers!